48th statement of Tirukkolur Penpillai, Arakkanudan Purudeno Periya Udayare Pole. In this statement, she mentions sacrifice made by Jatayu. During the exile period, Rama visited Rishi Agastya's ashram to get his blessings. And Agastya blessed them and suggested a place, Panchavati, to settle down for some time. And Agastya offered him, gifted him the holy weapons what he had with him. Then they moved to Panchavati. On the way, they met a huge vulture. Then Rama asked the vulture, "Who are you?" The vulture answered, "I am Vinata's son, Arunan's one of two sons." Arunan had two sons. I am one of the sons. I am the younger one, Jatayu. I am your father's friend. Rama was so happy to meet his father's friend, and he told Lakshmana, we are not missing our father. We are seeing our father in his form, and we will be well protected by him. Let us stay under his shade. And they made a Parnashala at Panchavati, that is a small hermitage at Panchavati, and they stayed there. And after some days, Surpanaka visited there, and he got her nose cut down by Lakshmana, and she went off. Then there was a war with Karadoshan, and Marishan came in the form of golden deer, and he helped Ravana to take away Sita from Rama. And when Rama and Lakshmana were away, Sita was taken away by Lakshmana, and Sita was crying for help, and she saw Jatayu sitting on the tree, and she told Jatayu, "Please inform that I am taken by this man, this Ravana, and we are moving in the southern direction. Please inform Rama about it." She requested, she prayed to Jatayu. Jatayu tried its best to attack Ravana, and it attacked Ravana with its beaks and claws, and it tried its best to protect Sita. But Ravana, he cut the wings of Jatayu, so Jatayu fell down, and he was found on the ground in the pool of blood. And he was chanting Rama, Rama, Rama. And Rama and Lakshmana were coming in search of Sita and found Jatayu chanting Rama, Rama, Rama. Then Jatayu told Rama what all happened. Then after he delivered the message, he lost his life. So he did that prana tyaga. He sacrificed his life. Till Rama came there, he was holding his breath, and he gave up his life. So Rama called Jatayu as Periyappa, and from that moment onwards, Jatayu was named Periya Udayar. He was called Periya Udayar because Rama called him as Periyappa. This was referred by Tirukkolur Penpillai. She was telling Ramanujar, at the old age, Jatayu tried his best to protect Sita Devi, and he gave up his life for that sake. But I am young, but I have not done anything. I have not made any shraddha. I have not done any sacrifice. I have not done any Kainkaryam to Perumal. So why should I be here? So she was telling all this to Ramanuja, who was Lakshmana in Treta Yugam, and he witnessed all this along with Rama. So she said, "Arakkanudan Purudeno Periya Udayare Pole. Did I fight like Jatayu with Rakshasa and help Rama?